Hello, today we have for you a rare and very hard to find large sleeping snoring Santa by Telco, made in 1989. He's wearing slippers, very cute, holding a pocket watch. He has a bag on the side which has letters from children, little letters. So he must have fell asleep in his chair reading away. He's getting comfortable with his jacket behind the chair. He has his Telco swing tag still attached. He's sitting on a nice chair. The only thing we noticed was the chair here was repaired, but it was glued and it feels solid. He's 20 inches tall, 10 inches wide at the base. He has great beard and clothing. He's electric, powered with a toggle switch. When you turn that on, you'll see Santa's chest rise and fall. Underneath his seat here, he has a volume control for the snoring. You can either have it on or off. He snores and whistles. He's very, very, very charming. It seems like he's snoring jingle bells. There you go. Thank you for looking at our listing, and have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.